Hello guys, welcome to RM24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim, and today, as usual, I will comment and you will watch the video. And today we disassemble the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. Disassembly has the second difficulty or middle rating in our difficulty classification and will be disassembled by detaching the back cover. We have already heated the surface of the back cover up to 70 Celsius degree or 158 Fahrenheit and have used a heating mat to do this, and we will begin to open the back cover. We take a thin plastic sheet and start to open it. Pry around the corner and spray some isopropyl alcohol. Probably the back cover is made with a glass, so that we will do everything carefully, and if it's not a glass made thing, be careful anyway. Carefully pass on all sides. Let's go to the other side. The camera's protections will likely remain on the cover, so in order to not to damage the camera's lenses, it's better not to spray the alcohol in this area. We open the back cover. There is camera protection on it, and apparently it's a plastic. Manufacturer adhesive tape remained in, I guess in general, not a bad condition. There is nothing else on the cover except the gasket. Remove the cover to the side. Next, we need to unscrew the screws. Take a crosshead screwdriver or a Phillips 1.5mm, aka #30, and unscrew the screws. Now I wonder how Xiaomi chooses which screws they will present in each models. The last time we disassembled Redmi Note 8, and which the screws were greeny, but here, as you see, there are copper or gold, as you like. It's curious. By the way, we remove the cover quite simply. Maybe we heated it up very well, or there is no glass protection against liquid penetration. But I think this back cover has not been disassembled before us, and we see on the screws the warranty stickers. Both are untouched at the top and bottom. Another screw is hidden under the adhesive, and it's often happening. Detach the cover with the antennas and remove it. Disconnect the battery connector with a plastic tool and move to the bottom. Here we also unscrew all screws. And you know guys, often the disassembly procedure is similar for most smartphones. So we start from opening the back cover, unscrew screws, etc, etc, etc. We again forgot to remove the cards tray. Guys, please do it first before the disassembly. Now we need to gently press the board and use an ejection tool to get the tray. The tray for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a memory card. Remove the loudspeaker and disconnect the connector and remove the cards holder with a long thin cable. Okay, well look here, we have a connector for the display cable. A bit higher we have a subboard with a charging port. We disconnect the connector, take out the subboard, turn it over. On the back side we disconnect the coaxial cable. By the way, the second coaxial cable goes to the small board with antennas. On the subboard we have a micro USB Type-C charging port for data transfer and charging. Also we have here a microphone. We look at what we have located on the motherboard. There are no screws, so we can continue disassembling. Let's start disconnecting the cameras. First, the front camera is 16 megapixels. Carefully put it out. As we can see, there is small adhesive there. We disconnect the camera connectors for 64, 8 and 5 megapixels. Look for which cameras can be removed, and if, as in our case, the camera cannot be pried off from the display module frame, then we will do this after removing the motherboard. We disconnect the connectors of the side buttons, to interboard cables, to coaxial cables. And we can remove the motherboard. The board holds on the thermal paste like a glue, and it's time to remove it. Now we can remove one rear camera. I always think the cameras are well fixed, but the manufacturers always glue them. It makes sense to me, but for disassembling, of course, it's sometimes problematic. We'll not remove the battery, but you can watch how we do this in one of our videos. For example, where we disassemble Oppo AX7, there is just the same type of battery attaching. The removing process is quite simple. Pull out the label according to the instructions. First pull out the areas A and B, and then pull out only area A. In the display frame we have an earpiece speaker, a vibration motor, cables, coaxial cable, battery, cable for the side buttons, and a fingerprint sensor located on the side. Okay, now we're done. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to comment this video for you guys, as always. And guys, you remember the drill. Watch, like or dislike. Please consider subscribing, write your comments, and take care of yourself. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share, rate us, and see you in the next video.